children, how are you all? Good, right? I am also good, children. Thank you so much. Now, I am teaching you next topic in our division, that is properties. Yes, properties of division. Okay, first thing is dividing by same number. Yes, when you divide any number by same number, the quotient, the answer is 1. If you divide 7 by 7, answer is 1. Any number you can take. If you take 15 divided by 15, the answer is 1. So, the property, first property is division by same number. When you divide any number by the same number, the quotient is 1. Understood? Second property, division by 1. If you divide any number by 1, you will get same number as quotient. Okay? Any number you can take. Same number you will get as quotient. Now, third property, division of 0. If you divide 0 by any number, the quotient is 0 only. Okay? See? 0 divided by 45. You will get answer 0 only. Okay? And the last property, division by 0. You cannot divide any number by 0. Okay? If you wanted to try to divide any number by 0, it won't be possible. Okay? Understood, children? So, I will read this one more time. Properties of division. Division by same number. When you divide any number by same number, the quotient is 1. 100 divided by 100 also 1. 1000 divided by 1000 also 1. When you divide any number by 1, the quotient is the number itself. Okay? Any number you can take divided by 1, you will get the same number. Division of 0. If you wanted to divide 0 by any number, quotient is 0 only. Understood? Division by 0 is not possible. Understood, children? Until we meet you next time. Bye, children. Have a nice day.